Hi everyone, welcome back to the SQL training series. In today's session, we'll cover question 40, count salary categories. This question is all about classifying employees into low, average, and high salary categories, and then counting how many employees fall into each group. We'll look at the problem step by step, analyze the sample data, and then write 3 different SQL solutions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the logic, but also see how different SQL techniques can achieve the same result. We're working with the employees table, containing following columns. Employee ID, which is the primary key. Name, employee's name. Salary of the employee. Department ID, ID of the department the employee belongs to. Now, the requirement is to write a solution to calculate the count of salary for each salary category. The salary categories are low salary, salaries less than $4,000. Average salary, salaries between $4,000 and $8,000, inclusive. High salary, salaries greater than $8,000. The result table must show all 3 categories, even if one of them has 0 employees. Let's take a quick look at a simplified input table. Based on this data, the expected output is the following table. 3 employees with average salary, 2 with high salary, and 2 with low salary. Let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. Solution 1, Union with filters. The first method is straightforward. We write separate queries for each salary category, and then combine them with a union. When you run this query, you'll see counts for all 3 categories. For example, in a larger dataset, you can see 23 low salary employees, 14 average salary employees, and 13 high salary employees. The advantage of this method: it's very easy to read and understand. The downside, we're repeating the from employees multiple times. Solution 2, subqueries plus union all. This method calculates each category count using a subquery. It gives us the same result, but notice that each salary check is encapsulated in a subquery. The advantage: sometimes easier for beginners to follow. The disadvantage: it's still running multiple queries internally, which may not be the most efficient approach. Solution 3, case when plus sum. The third method is often considered the most elegant. We use case when conditions combined with aggregate functions like sum. In this query, for each row we check the condition. If it matches, we count it as 1, otherwise 0. Then we sum them up to get the total per category. The benefit of this method is flexibility. You can easily extend it if you add more categories, and it avoids repeating multiple count statements. So, let's quickly compare the 3 methods. Union with filters. Simple and easy to understand, but repetitive. Subqueries. Clear structure, but less efficient. Case when plus sum. Clean, efficient, and scalable, often the best choice. All 3 methods return the same result, so which one you use depends on your preference, readability, and performance considerations. That's it for question 40, count salary categories. We explored 3 different approaches, understood their logic, and saw how SQL gives us multiple ways to solve the same problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.